Okay, today we're going to do the fish, okay, Chinese style fish. What we need, fish, okay, and sour cabbage. Probably you can buy Lidl or Aldi or Tesco. And then round onion, gingers, and my almond spring onion too, okay? Okay, the first we have to cut fish and the small size. Yeah. 3 times. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to cut the onion. Before you after the chopped the fish, you need to wash the clean. And I'm now going to chop to the onion now. Okay, now I'm going to chop some gingers, okay? Okay, I am going to cut my big onion from almond. Yeah, we only use the green part. Okay. Yeah. And then little bit longer, don't worry too long. Okay, this is wait for when after cook ready and put in the top. Okay, we put the oil first. Oil in. Okay, now we're going to do first put the onion and then ginger. Okay, then put the fish in. Okay, now we're going to put some hot water in. Okay, why we have to put the hot water? Because when you put the hot water and the juice look like white, it's look more easy to, how can I say, look nice. Okay, now we're going to put the sour vegetable. Okay, this sour vegetable probably from Aldi or Tesco, and okay, and then we are put the full jar. Depends on how much you want. Okay, you like, then you can put it more. You don't like, then you don't have to put it too much. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we put it on the top. Okay, put it on the top. Okay, put it on the top. Okay. Okay, and the same we need to put the soya sauce, light soya sauce. Don't too much. Round the outside, round the outside, okay. Okay, now we're going to put the Himalaya salt. Okay. How much you like? You like light salt, or you want more? Then it depends how much you want. Okay. Okay, now put the lid on. Okay. 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, we little bit put the dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Okay. Wow, look. Little bit dark. Okay, don't worry. And then close top and keep little bit time. Okay, nearly ready. I need to put in my spring onion. Yeah, the green leaf and the inside here. Oh, oh, I don't want to go in. Yeah, okay, just wait for ready. Okay, and onion, spring onion in 5 minutes we can ready eat. Yay! Now ready. Have a look. Wow, very hot. Wow. Ready now. Going to eat now.